Good morning, students. Now next chapter, chapter 8, application of integrals. In this chapter, exercise 8.1. In this exercise, we are going to learn area under simple curves. So we want to find the area of the bounded be the curve y is equal to fx, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b. So here y is equal to fx is the curve, x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Let a strip of breadth dx and its length is y, then area of the strip will be area of rectangle, which will be equal to y into dx. So area of bounded region will be integration a to b y dx. So see here from the figure, so area will be equal to integration a to b dA. dA will be equal to y into dx and y is equal to fx. So a to b integration a to b fx dx will be area under the curve fx. Clear? So area under the curve fx bounded by x is equal to a and x is equal to b will be integration a to b dA is equal to integration a to b y dx and y is equal to fx. So integration fx dx, integration a to b fx dx. Now area A of the region bounded by the curve x is equal to gy x is equal to gy is the curve. Clear? A strip of length breadth dy and its length will be x. So the area A of the region bounded by the curve x is equal to gy, y axis, and the line y is equal to c and y is equal to d will be equal to A will be equal to c to d x dy will be equal to, because x is equal to gy, so c to d gy dy. Integration c to d gy dy. Clear? You can find the area. Now see the questions. Question number 1. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So in this question we have to find area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So here y square is equal to x is a parabola passing through the origin and its axis of symmetry is x-axis. See the figure here, and line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Then area of the bounded region will be area of shaded region. Firstly find area of shaded region. So equation of curve is equation of parabola y square is equal to x. So y is equal to root x. Then area of shaded region will be integration 1 to 4 y dx. Put the value of y is equal to root x, so root x dx. Now you can integrate and you have the answer. It will be equal to 14 by 3 square unit. 2 7 ja 14, 14 by 3 square unit is the answer. Next question. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Clear? So firstly here equation of ellipse is x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse whose major axis lie on the x-axis. This one you have to find its area. So this question can be solved by two ways. First method, from the equation of the curve find the value of y and apply the formula integration and use the limit of x. Clear? Also find the value of x. Put y is equal to 0, then you can find value of x. So value of x will be plus minus 4. It means coordinate, therefore intersections of the ellipse with x-axis are 4, 0 and minus 4, 0. See here, in this condition, if you use the limit, then limit of x, then you can find the area of the ellipse. So area of the ellipse will be 4 times integration 0 to 4 y dx. Clear? And put the value of y from the equation of the curve and use the limit. Clear? Then you can find area of the ellipse. And second method, you can use the limit of y then you can use the formula to find the area of the ellipse will be 4 into integration 0 to 3 x dy. In this condition, you have to find the value of x from the curve and put it, then integrate and apply the limit, then you can find area of the ellipse. Clear? See here. Then you can find its area. Now see the next question. The next question, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis line x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2. So to draw the graph and the said region whose area we are to find, clear? X is equal to root 3y, then y will be equal to x upon root 3. Equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. Clear? To draw a circle of radius 2 unit and its center is 0, 0. And line x is equal to root 3y, then y will be equal to 1 by root 3x. So when y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. It means this line will be passing through the origin. So draw this line and you have to find the area of said region. So firstly, find the point of intersection of the curve and the line. So solve equation first and equation second. Clear? Then find the value of x and y, which will be the intersection of line and circle. It means which will be the coordinates of point A. To solve, then you have x is equal to plus minus root 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Then point of intersection will be root 3 1 and minus root 3 minus 1. So because solve equation of circle and the given line, clear, means equation first and equation second. By solving this equation you can find x and y. So by solving these two equations you have x and y, x is equal to plus minus root 3 and y will be equal to plus minus minus 1, plus minus 1. Clear? So when x is equal to root 3, then y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to minus root 3, then y is equal to minus 1. And because point A lie in first quadrant, so x will be positive and y will also be positive. So coordinates of A will be root 3 comma 1. So coordinates of A will be root 3 comma 1. This one. So required shattered area is equal to area of OAM plus area of AMB. Area of OAM, see here, area of OAM, this portion, and plus area of AMB. So area of OAM, you have to use this one. You can find area of OAM will be integration 0 to root 3 y dx, and you have to put the value of y in terms of x from the equation of line, and area of AMB will be integration root 3 to 2 y dx. Here put the value of y from the equation of circle in form of x, in terms of x, and then integrate and apply the limits. Then you can find area of the shaded region. Clear? Now next example, find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to, and the line y is equal to mod x. So y is equal to mod x can be written as y is equal to plus minus x. Clear? So here parabola is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square means x square is equal to y. This is the equation of a parabola whose axis of symmetry is y axis. So plot the graph, and line y is equal to mod x will be y is equal to plus minus x. It means y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Now set this portion. So you have to find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of this region 2 into area of this region. Clear? Area of shaded region will be equal to 2 into area of bounded region will be equal to 2 into area of the shaded region. Clear? So area of the shaded region will be, to find its area, firstly solve the line y is equal to x and y is equal to x square and find the point of intersection, which will be this one. Clear? The point of intersection will be this one. So you have to use the limit of x axis. So here x is equal to 1. So you have to use the limit x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. So this one. Clear? So area between the parabola y is equal to x square and x axis between the limit x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 is integration 0 to 1 y dx. Put the value of y from the equation of the curve y is equal to x square, then integrate and apply the limit. So area is 1 by 3. Clear? And area of the ray y is equal to x and x axis will be 0 to 1 y dx, and y is equal to x. Put here, apply the limit, then you have area which will be 1 by 2. Clear? So area required shaded area in the first quadrant will be equal to area given by equation second minus area given by equation first will be equal to 1 by 6. Then total area of the region bounded is equal to 2 into 1 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 3 square unit. Clear? So you have to solve the questions related to this topic with example and see it again to find the area. How you can find? See here. You can use the formula. In this condition, x is equal to a, x is equal to b, then area will be integration a to b y dx, and put the value of y in terms of x. Here y is equal to fx is the curve. Clear? So this will be, you can put the value of y, then you can integrate, then you can find area. In this condition, curve is x is equal to fy, then y is equal to c and y is equal to d, then area will be equal to c to d x dy, and put the value of x in terms of y, then you can find its area. Clear? So students, you have to solve the question of exercise 8.1 with example, and also from miscellaneous of chapter 8 you have to solve the questions related to this topic. Okay students, thank you.